Are your clients raving fans of yours? Or are the insurance adjusters doing a better job vying for the affection of the policyholder than you are? Most of the problems on restoration projects wouldn't happen at all if the restoration contractor had the complete trust of the client. Water damage mitigation is a sprint, but contents restoration is a marathon.
In contents, everything goes into a box, and those boxes can be full of money.
You want policyholders to advocate for you. Are you ready for the marathon?
Manage the customer with the same skill that you use to manage the job.
Are your clients raving fans of yours? If they are, your jobs are going to go more smoothly and be more profitable. Create raving fans with all of your clients, and we're going to show you how. In the upcoming edition of the Restoration Expert Briefing on January 30th, we're going to have none other than Mr. Bud Summers. He's the Executive Vice President of Operations for PureClean Corporate.
Create trust so that they will advocate for you with the insurance carrier.